Hello kids, let's learn some colors name. Light green color, purple color, dark blue color, light blue color, red color, dark green color, yellow color, orange color, brown color, violet color, black color. Let's try to learn some alphabets. A, A, B, B, C, C, D, D, E, E, F, F, G, G, H, H, I, I, J, J, K, K, L, L, M, M, N, N, O, O, P, P, Q, Q, R, R, S, S, T, T, U, U, V, V, W, W, X, X, Y, Y, Z, Z, A, B, B, C, C, D, D, E, E, F, F, G, G, H, H, I, J, J, K, K, L, M, N, O, O, P, P, Q, Q, R, R, S, S, T, T, U, U, V, V, W, W, X, X, Y, Y, Z, Z. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next videos. Bye bye.